Love, soft as an easy chair. Love, fresh as the morning air. One love that is shared by two, I have found with you. Like a rose under the April snow, I was always so certain love would grow. Love, ageless and evergreen, seldom seen by two. You and I will make each night a first, every day a beginning. Spirit rise and their dance is unrehearsed. They warm and excite us, 'cause we have the brightest love. To light the sun is one. Morning glory and the midnight sun. Love, we've learned to sail above. Time won't change the meaning of one love, as then ever